Machine learning is transforming industries and driving innovation by enabling systems to learn from data and make intelligent decisions. This has resulted in a skyrocketing demand for machine learning engineers. These professionals possess the skills to develop advanced algorithms, build predictive models, and extract valuable insights from vast amounts of data. The era of big data necessitates professionals who can derive insights from vast information, and machine learning engineers possess the skills to analyze complex data sets, extract valuable knowledge, and build predictive models for accurate forecast, process automation, and optimized decision making. Industries such as healthcare, finance, e-commerce, and autonomous vehicles heavily rely on machine learning to enhance processes and drive growth. As businesses increasingly recognize the power of data-driven insights, the demand for skilled machine learning engineers continues to surge. They are instrumental in leveraging the potential of machine learning to optimize operations, improve efficiency, and gain a competitive edge. With the market value of machine learning expected to grow exponentially, now is the time to enter into the field of machine learning and become an ML engineer who are at the forefront of technological advancements and bagging lucrative career opportunities in this dynamic field that opens doors to a world of endless possibilities and promises a fulfilling and impactful career. On that note, hello everyone, welcome to Simplilearn. Today we will explore a profession that has witnessed a huge surge in demand in recent years, which is going to be the next big thing in the future. Without any further ado, let's get started.
Meet John, who has been working as a software developer in the IT industry for over 5 years now. John has been hearing a lot about machine learning lately and how it has been revolutionizing the tech industry. He wonders whether learning machine learning would be worth it, and that's when his colleague Harry helps him out. Hey Harry, I've been reading a lot about machine learning engineering lately. What are your thoughts? Absolutely. Machine learning is booming right now. Really, quite intriguing. But how can I become an ML engineer? Well, with the right skill set you can, my friend. Possibilities are endless. Wow, that's impressive. Looks like machine learning can be a rewarding career with great opportunities and lucrative salaries. Absolutely, John. So let me tell you more about the working aspects of machine learning engineer in detail. We'll start this tutorial with a quick introduction to who ML engineer is. And next, we'll understand what exactly does a machine learning engineer do. Next, we'll dive into the roles and responsibilities of a machine learning engineer. After that, we'll discuss some of the most important skills that an ML engineer should possess. And finally, we'll talk about the salary and job prospects of a machine learning engineer. So firstly, who is a machine learning engineer? A machine learning engineer is a skilled professional who combines expertise in programming, mathematics, and machine learning to develop and deploy intelligent systems that can learn from data and make accurate predictions or decisions. The role of a machine learning engineer involves working with large data sets, pre-processing and cleaning the data, selecting appropriate machine learning algorithms, and training models using this data. They often collaborate with data scientists and domain experts like software engineers to integrate machine learning solutions into production environments for optimizing and fine-tuning models for accuracy and efficiency, as well as evaluating their performance. And finally, they perform a thorough, effective data exploration and visualization techniques in order to contribute for better understanding of the data and identifying patterns, making informed decisions throughout the machine learning pipelines. So what are the roles and responsibilities of a machine learning engineer? Firstly, problem understanding and solution design. Machine learning engineers work closely with stakeholders, domain experts, to understand the business problem or objective that machine learning can address. They analyze requirements, identify suitable data sources, and propose machine learning-based solutions. This involves translating business problems into technical specifications, defining measurable goals, and designing the overall architecture of the machine learning system. Data preparation and analysis. Machine learning engineers need to have a deep understanding of the data they are working with. This involves cleaning, pre-processing, and transforming raw data into a format suitable for training and evaluating ML models. Exploratory data analysis techniques are often used to gain insights and understand the underlying patterns and relationships within the data. Model development and evaluation. ML engineers are responsible for developing, training, and fine-tuning machine learning models. This involves selecting the appropriate algorithms, architectures, and techniques based on the problems at hand. You will need to implement and experiment with different models such as decision trees, neural networks, support vector machines, and much more. And finally, monitoring, maintenance, and iterative improvement. After deployment, ML engineers monitor the performance of deployed models and address any sort of issues that arise. They design and implement monitoring systems to track model performance, detect any kind of anomalies, and identify data drift or concept drift. Regular model maintenance is necessary to retrain and refine models using new data to maintain accuracy and adaptability. So these were some of the day-to-day roles and responsibilities of an ML engineer. Well, let us now talk about the skill set that a ML engineer should possess. Firstly, they should have a strong knowledge on programming tools. Now, strong programming skills are essential for machine learning engineers. Programming languages like R, which is a free software environment for statistical computing and graphics, can surely help. But mainly, they use Python. Python is widely used in the machine learning community due to its simplicity, extensive libraries, and strong ecosystem. So you need to familiarize yourself with Python fundamentals, data manipulation libraries like NumPy and Pandas, and machine learning frameworks such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn. Also familiarize yourself with programming concepts, data structures, and algorithms. And additionally, knowledge of other languages like R and Java can be beneficial. Secondly, machine learning and deep learning concepts. ML engineers should have a deep understanding of various machine learning algorithms, including supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Familiarize yourself with concepts like KNN, linear regression, decision trees, support vector machines, neural networks, ensemble methods, and much more. Not just that, furthermore, ML engineers need a solid foundation in mathematics and statistics. This includes knowledge of linear algebra, calculus, probability theory, and statistical analysis. Understanding these concepts is crucial for designing and implementing machine learning algorithms. Now, in addition to these technical skills, machine learning engineers should also possess strong analytical and soft skills to excel in their roles. They need to think critically and out of the box to understand problems, break them down into manageable components, and develop appropriate machine learning solutions. They should be able to analyze data, identify patterns, and make informed decisions based on the results. And finally, communication skills. Now, effective communication is crucial for machine learning engineers. They need to explain complex technical concepts to non-technical stakeholders as well, while collaborating with cross-functional teams and present their findings and recommendations. Strong written and verbal communication skills will surely help convey information clearly and concisely, which not only enhance their professional growth, but also contribute to their overall effectiveness as a machine learning engineer. With all that having said, let us now discuss some of the salary and job prospects of a machine learning engineer. Now, the salary of a machine learning engineer can vary significantly based on various factors. In the United States of America, machine learning engineers are in high demand, particularly in technology hubs like Silicon Valley in California and tech hubs like New York. According to a report by Glassdoor, the average salary of a professional ML engineer is around $109,000 per year. Now, salaries in the US tend to be higher due to the cost of living and fierce competition for talent. And entry-level machine learning engineers can expect salaries ranging from $80,000 to $120,000 per year, while mid-level professionals with a few years of experience can around $120,000 to $180,000 per year. And finally, a senior level or an experienced machine learning engineer can command salaries exceeding $200,000 per year as well, especially in top-tier companies or leadership positions. On the other hand, in India, the salary range for machine learning engineers is relatively lower compared to the US, but it's important to consider the lower cost of living as well. Now, the average salary of a machine learning engineer in India is around 8.5 lakhs, while entry-level machine learning engineers in India can expect salaries ranging from 4 lakhs to 8 lakhs per year, and mid-level professionals can earn around somewhere between 8 lakhs to 15 lakhs per year. And finally, senior level machine learning engineers with extensive experience and expertise can earn salaries ranging from 15 lakhs to 30 lakhs per year. Now, additionally, other benefits and compensation components such as bonuses, stock options, healthcare benefits, and retirement plans should also be considered. But let's talk about reality. It's crucial to note that these figures are approximate and can vary based on various such factors. So, here are some of the salary deciding factors of a machine learning engineer. Firstly, company and location. Now, the location of the employing company can impact a machine learning engineer's salary. Large technology companies or organizations with a strong focus on AI and ML tend to offer competitive compensation packages to attract top talent. Additionally, the cost of living in different geographic areas can affect salary ranges, with salaries often being higher in tech hubs or cities with a higher cost of living. Work experience. Experience plays a significant role in determining the salary of an ML engineer. Generally, engineers with more years of experience tend to command higher salaries. This is because experience indicates a deeper understanding of machine learning concepts, techniques, and real-world applications, which makes experienced engineers more valuable to the employers out there. Skill set and expertise. Now, specific skills and expertise possessed by a machine learning engineer can impact their salaries as well. ML engineers proficient in popular programming languages like Python, R, Java, and frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch, and libraries such as Scikit-learn are often in high demand and can negotiate higher salaries. Additionally, specialized knowledge in areas like deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision can also be valuable and potentially result in higher compensation. And finally, the industry that you're working on and the current demand trends. Now, the industry in which an machine learning engineer works can influence their salary as well. Industries that heavily rely on machine learning and AI applications such as finance, healthcare, e-commerce, and autonomous vehicles offer higher salary packages to machine learning engineers due to the high demand for their expertise. Also, it's important to note that this relative importance of these factors may vary depending on the specific circumstances and job market conditions. Salaries can also be influenced by economic factors, market demand, and individual negotiation skills. Overall, machine learning engineers in both the US, India, and the rest of the world can earn competitive salaries, and it's essential to assess the overall compensation package, growth opportunities, and company culture when evaluating job opportunities. And with that, we've come to the end of today's session, guys. I hope you found this tutorial informative and helpful. If you have any further queries regarding any of the concepts covered in today's tutorial, feel free to let us know in the comment section below, and a team of experts will be more than happy to help resolve all your queries at the earliest. Until next time, thank you and keep learning.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital. Choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.